Hey, it's Leah, and today I wanted to talk about getting YouTube views fast and organically. So let's learn about how we can grow and expand our view of other people looking at our YouTube. All right, if you're trying to touch base with me, here is my information. My name is Leah, and make sure that you go ahead and friend me on Facebook. So if you have any questions, I can definitely answer those for you. All right, so let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and go over my notes here. So we're going to jump over to YouTube. So YouTube, let me go ahead and type that in. Actually, I'll use the little shortcuts here. So here is my page. I'll jump in here in just a moment. Let's let this load, and we will be able to go ahead and get started. So let me jump in here. All right. I'm going to go ahead and click on my information and my channel. It will be down below so that you can go ahead and subscribe and like. So here I will have my videos, and we're going to grow and expand this page. So it's not necessarily the page, but it will be that individual video, and we're going to watch that grow. So here we're going to go ahead and get started. So the first thing I need you to do, we'll go ahead and open this one up so I can show you. And I didn't really want it to run. So here, we'll pause this for a moment. So here you'll be able to go ahead and like it. So go ahead and pause the video. So you can just hit play and pause right here in the lower left-hand corner. Go ahead and hit like, and you'll also have subscribe. So go ahead and click on those two, and then we'll go ahead and get started. All right, so you should have been able to go ahead and hit like and subscribe so that you can get all the updates and information that I will be sharing with you. I'm not sure if this is all going to fit into one video or not, so we'll get started. I don't want to make it too long, and we will get going. All right, another thing that is super helpful is commenting. So when you comment on a video, that allows it to actually get more visibility. So when you're growing and expanding your YouTube page, you want to be able to have people leave questions, thanks for watching the video, anything like that, and then you also want to respond. So it's going to work the same as Facebook. So if you could go ahead and just pause. So if you're playing this video, hit pause and scroll down and just leave a comment. Excuse me. Here you'll be able to leave a comment. Just say something like what you would like to learn from this video, what are you hoping that you'll learn, or just have a fantastic day. So if you can go ahead and pause the video, we'll go ahead and get started in just a moment, and leave a sweet comment there. I appreciate it. All right, so now that you've already done that, we'll go ahead and hit play. Let's get started. All right, so we already have this video, and we've created a video inside of YouTube. So we're going to jump over to a program that allows me to do so much stuff. So this is the type of program that will allow you to do as many of these posts that you like, and it allows you to have that organic views right on your page. So you can see I use this very extensive. There's a ton of stuff in here that you can do. So if you're part of a ton of programs like myself, this is a great way to have a way to post and share. So here we're going to go ahead and jump to the far left-hand side of this software. On the far left-hand side is landing pages. So here you can make these landing pages and make them to say whatever you want. If you just want to make them short and sweet, that is fine, super perfect. And all you have to do is go ahead and at the tier, you just select Add New. When you click that, that will bring you up a new page. And I'm going to check here. So I've created this page. Let's see, I want to check. There was a new one I just created, so you can make these as fast as you want or as slow as you want. So here I just created this Frozen one. We just went and saw Frozen, my daughter and I, and if you can't believe the prices anymore, just to see a video, get some popcorn, get a little treat, maybe have some dinner ahead of time, you can definitely blow $100 or more just on two of you. So here I just wanted to talk about the magical of, Frozen is great and they're making tons of money. The system, the whole theater was filled with people. So there's no lack of anyone watching these. So here I have another program that I have started, and it allows me to get $100 for every time someone joins. So here I put all the information in here, talked about what it does, how to get started, and right here it'll say show me the robot, because this is a robot system. It automatically works for you. Then you can also call the information right here with this, and there is my video. Here's some little images that are in here, and then how to connect with me. So here I have already created this page, and make sure that you did hit the like and subscribe, because I will be doing these step by step so that you can see how these are made. All right, so I have this ready, and this is the preview page. All right, now that I've created this landing page and it's ready to go, you can name it whatever you want, which is super awesome. So on the top, I just named it Frozen 2. Then it'll say .now, .site, and home. It says home because you can also add a blog to this. So it's a great way for the system to automatically be sending content or information to your page and making it available for others to see. So now I have this page ready. So we'll scroll to the top, and here you will have save and exit. All right, now that I have that landing page ready, we're going to go ahead and select social marketing. And social marketing is going to allow me to go ahead and set that up. Now in the lower left, I have done this, and here we'll just click on it. When you click on the information, this allows you to put whatever information you want at the top. I added my image, and now I can post to my pages. So now I wanted this to be part of my YouTube. So today we'll switch that. So let me widen my screen here. All right, so we're on the screen in the far top. We're going to hit save and exit, because now I'll show you how you can take your YouTube videos and make them be social. So here we're going to go ahead and add new. I have all these options, and there's a ton in here, so you can use the professional articles, videos, and images that are already in the system and do what you want with those. It's super simple and easy. So here I am going to go to videos, and I'm going to jump back to my YouTube. On my YouTube, I want to be able to promote a video. So I will go ahead and take this video that's here. We're going to select share. We're going to hit copy. Jump back over to the software. And here you can either add it in here. So we can paste it. I need to move myself out of the way. Hit select. And now you can add it in here. I don't know why it selected that one. So let's save and exit a minute. This is one I just did, and it's asking for a landing page. So let me fill this out real quick. This one. So we will save and exit. I don't know why it selected that one. So here it looks like it did add this. Now there's two of them there. So here you can be able to add the information at the top of the page and type whatever you want. This is allowing you to actually type on the image. So that gives you image text. You can close that up. Here's the post data. Here is the information that's going to go to the top of the page here. And here I have sent this to my Frozen 2 site. So that was my landing page that I put here. I want people to read more about this, but now I want to grow and expand my YouTube. So when we do the share and copy, and that's probably why it took the other one. So let's see here. We'll jump back. Here we'll paste this. That's my YouTube information to share. Going to hit save. So it doesn't matter what image you have here, it's going to leave that. Now in the upper right hand corner, I have the option to do post. You select post. Here you can do Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So this gives you a great opportunity to share this information with those pages. So here you can go ahead and post it to your page. You can post it to your story. And here you could write some more information. So maybe you want to write something about learning more about this program. So today I'm not going to do that because, well, here I will go ahead and post this and share it to myself. That way we can see how it looks. But I will go ahead and make a new image that will go directly to where I need it to go. So we'll post this to Facebook. All right, so that's already done. We know it's there. We're going to jump to Facebook. We'll refresh the page here. Sorry, it goes a little slow when I run this system here. Let's try this again. It's thinking. So this is a great opportunity for you to put it all on your social media. So you have those different options. You can definitely do that. We'll let this refresh. When you're in the system here, it does allow you to grab the URL. So here you can post it and select Facebook. This information right here will allow you to post anywhere. So here I will go to a new page and plug that in. As you plug that in, you will see where it's going and what it looks like. And then you'll see that it goes directly to my YouTube page. So as you grow and expand and share these on all social media, this is going to allow you to grow and expand your YouTube at the exact same time that you're trying to show or offer information. So this works with any product. And my Facebook is still thinking, so let's try typing this in here. We'll see if it happens. But here you can see this will start running and giving more information on your YouTube.